Hey guys, I'm Mike and welcome back here to the farm. And today we are going to go through what is our last cutting of hay for the 2022 season. So be sure to follow along with us on this one, guys, and let's go have some fun. Alright guys, so we have a brand new 2022 New Holland 210R, which is the mower conditioner. It's got a 10-foot 4-inch cutting width on it. This model has the Chevron roll conditioner with the Momax modular cutter bar. And this unit here has just been a lifesaver for me this season. It's very quick, it's got the quick change blades in it, and we've really enjoyed it. Alright guys, we're in the process of raking up the last bit of hay that we have for the 2022 hay season. Pretty excited to get done. Probably, like I say, probably the latest that we've actually, personally myself, have baled hay in October. Today now is the 22nd, so definitely the later part of the hay I think I've done. Cool weather and challenges as far as how much daytime drying you have, the frost. We've had a couple frosts here over the past couple days, which I'm not so convinced that the frost hurt us. I think that it's possible that the frost actually helped dry some of the stuff that we had out, just for kind of freezing and, all that good stuff. So, but here we are. Here we are raking this 8-acre piece back here of orchard grass. This year's yield has pretty much been at about 3 bales an acre across all of the acres that we do have. So it's been a pretty decent year for us. Pretty much expected, what we have, and so we're going to hope for a continued, like this for next year. So we'll see how it all goes, but so far we're setting up pretty good. Here's Evan following behind, baling everything up. 4x5 John Deere 450E baler. We use a Kuhn 4120 TH rotary rake. It has a working width of 13 foot 5 inches, and it's been a low maintenance machine for us, and it's really done a pretty good job. Overall, just easy things, put grease in it and just keep her lubed up, and she's done a really good job. This rake only requires 20 PTO horsepower to run, and we operated at speeds between 5.5 and 6.5 miles an hour. We feel that it does a good job giving a good quality windrow. Anything faster than 6.5 mile an hour, the rake will do it. It tends to make a little bit sloppier windrow. It does still pick up material, and I do believe that you could operate it at faster speeds. I think it's going to depend on the actual quality of hay you're baling. So here's Evan again. This is a John Deere 450E baler. It makes a 4x5 round bale. Does a very, very good job with what it does, making a nice tight, round bale. We've been happy with it. Surprisingly enough, it's actually done pretty well with some high moisture hay and things like that typically the unit's really not meant for, but we've had some different times where we've gotten into some of that, and the baler still does a good job. So we've been impressed with the John Deere, and we're going to keep running it from here out, so we'll see how it all goes. Well guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap up our 2022 hay season. It's been a good season. We've had a good yield. It's been fun. As always guys, we'd love to see you guys subscribe to the channel. If you get any value from this, we'd love to share what we're doing with you. We'd like to go into a little bit more depth as we get more subscribers coming on. And hit that thumbs up button there, and always drop a comment if you've got any questions or any comments you'd like to make. Until next time guys, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.